Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to add end screens in YouTube Studio. Now the end screens appear in your video. Let's say you want to add it. First of all, you have to open up YouTube Studio, then you tap on the video you want to add the end screen for. Let's say I want to do it for this particular video. Tap on the pen icon, open up the details, and then you can see end screen right here. Tap on the pen icon, and if you look at it, you see I already added end screen. But let us say I didn't have. Let me delete this one. So let's say I didn't have. Let me save it so you can see what it looks like when I tap on end screen. You see it will be empty, so you can see the different elements. You can see them. Which one do you want? You choose the one you want. You can choose one of two videos with your logo in the center. You can see this one video, one playlist. This is one video, one playlist, and one ad asking them to subscribe. Of course, you have two videos here, not showing subscribe. We have one playlist, one subscribe. We have one video, one subscribe. We have import from latest video and then subscribe. So this I want to use this one. If you want to add more elements to it, this is where you put what you want to appear on your subscribe part. You can see it here. If I don't want this, I can delete it and put what I want there. Then you want to show the card outline, you click on this to show the hover card outline. We don't unmark it. Then if you want to add more elements, tap on element. You can try to add video, playlist, channel, or link. So let's say you want to add one video, you put the video you want to add to it. You can see that added right here. If you don't want anyone, you click on select. Then here this one shows your most recent upload. This one shows best for viewers. If you're okay with everything, you want to undo, tap on undo, redo. That's how we do it. I'm also choose everything. You can also decide to put where to start from. You see, I want to attribute everything, tap on save. And then now I want to do that. If you're editing a video like that, you notice that the save icon doesn't show. It's not highlighted. So what you do, just create space in the name or any part of the, just make a change. Whether you could put space or make a change any part of the description or title, and then tap on save. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful.